Provides a fast, easy way to connect replacement heater hoses on cars and trucks. 3 sizes for more coverage and broader applications. Its design retains O-rings for added durability. Professional, premium aftermarket replacement, provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco and Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. Designed to deliver trouble-free, consistent performance. An ACDelco Professional, premium aftermarket quick connector provides a fast, easy way to connect replacement heater hoses on cars and trucks. This premium aftermarket replacement quick connector is manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. For Tahoe or Suburban but not for Silverado or Sierra. This item fits on Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Yukon XL, and Escalade with a rear heater core, rear heat. This item does not fit on Silverado or Sierra truck because they do not have rear heat. This item connects to the T-fitting by the firewall. The T-fitting does not exist on truck models. Dorman part #800-409 will not fit on SUV models listed, but it will fit on truck models listed.